Sanrock fully hydraulic core drilling rig has high performance, which improve core extraction and drilling efficiency. It is equipped with a variety of control valves on the operating table and a variety of dashboards to facilitate optimal drilling parameters. It is compact in appearance, and the operation is simple and convenient, and can be remote control, saving labor costs. Low failure rate, efficiency improvement, has widely been used in mine surface drilling, geological exploration, core sampling, rope core, to solve the actual needs of drilling work.